guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a blowout bouncy kind of roller look. I'm going to be doing, so my hair is currently wet. I've just got out of the bath. Okay, so yeah, this crazy wet situation we're going to do up. So the first product I'm actually gonna, first I'm gonna comb my hair. This is quite self-explanatory. I use a comb because it's better for your hair than using a brush. Just combing through my hair. When your hair is wet, it tears a lot, especially if you use a brush, so hence the comb. Now what I'm going to do is, this is one of my new favourite products. It's the Kerastase Paris Resistance kind of hair. I don't know if you'd call it a cream, I'm not sure what you'd call it, but I love it. I will link it in the description box below. And basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the Dyson to curl, blow dry my hair and then popping it in rollers. And this product makes it stay. I know a lot of people that have the Dyson say it falls out quite quickly. This stops it from falling out basically. It will last for a few days. So I'm going to put some of this in my hair before I blow dry it. So I'm just going to take a small amount. It's a bit like a leave-in conditioner. Got it in my hands, rub it in between my fingers and just comb that through my hair, and oh my god, it smells amazing. I'm not sure how to describe the smell, but also leave-in conditioner is so good for your hair. So we've just popped that in, and that will help make the hair hold for longer, and also it has heat protectant in it, which is amazing. So I will remember to link this below. The smell I'd describe as kind of like fresh cucumber kind of shower kind of smell. Anyway, now I've done that, I'm just going to quickly take the hairdryer attachment that comes with the Dyson and quickly dry it a little bit, because I don't want my hair to be too wet. So it's going to be a bit loud. Now my hair is roughly dry, slightly damp still, but mostly dry. I'm going to, attachment, I'm using the bigger barrels as opposed to the smaller barrel. And I'm going to just attach it like so. There we go. So I'm just curling my hair with the Dyson. I've put it on fast speed because it's quite boring to watch and it takes a while. And to just let you know what to do, you hold the Dyson on your hair on heat for about 10 seconds and then switch to cold air for about 10 seconds. I've just popped it into some rollers. I'm using Velcro rollers and hair grips. You can use any kind you want. When my hair is finally all finished and in rollers, you can leave it in for about 20 to 45 minutes for amazing results. But I personally leave mine in for a few hours because I'm going out. If I'm going out, I'll leave it in for a lot longer, and that way hopefully it'll last a bit longer, but you can get the same results within about 45 minutes. And the Dyson does take some getting used to, but just practice helps make perfect. Do this one. Just to show you, by the way, on the Dyson there's this button to switch on. You push it up. Okay, but then when it's on, if you hold it all the way at the top, like keep pushing it even higher up, it blasts the cold air. So after you've done the hot air for 10 seconds, push the button up and hold it so it's cool air. Or at least that's what I do. Cold air. Let it out. Beautiful and bouncy. Next roller in, I'm just using these Velcro ones. You can use any you want, obviously. I just find the Velcro ones very easy to use. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side of my hair. You've already seen me and what I'm doing because you're not going to want to watch the whole thing, but I'll get back to you when this side's done. Okay? Hey guys, so I'm starting to take them out. I'm hoping you can see me one at a time. Remember to be gentle with your hair. I appreciate it's huge at the moment. Pulling out the last section, flip that over. I know it looks crazy. I can appreciate that. Now we're just gonna let it, this is what it looks like at the moment. It's huge. We just gonna let it calm down a little bit. And this is my final result. I am obsessed with it. It's stunning. It's beautiful for you to see the back. I'm hoping you can see the wonderful layers. It's just stunning. It's so bouncy and voluminous. I'm obsessed. You can obviously wear your hair however you want. It's very big at the moment. It will drop a little bit. However, I like it big like this. And because of the products I use, the product at the beginning, this should stay for a few days. So, as I said, it will drop with time. You can style it however you want. It's just so bouncy. I'm trying to show you how gorgeous it is. But I love you and I'll see you in my next video.